everybody. Hi, it's Becky from Power Tools with Thread. Thank you so much for joining me. I've got a real treat for you today and a giveaway. I have a Sulky Mystery Box. Sulky is a company that makes some of the best embroidery threads and stabilizers that are out there. They make thread for embroidery and hand sewing, and this year they sponsored a mystery box that's valued at over $50, and it was only $29.99. So now's time for the big reveal, and I'm going to go through it with you. I have some notes so I can make sure to tell you everything that's in here and I get it right. So, okay. When you first open your box, you're going to notice you've got all different kinds of threads. There's a bunch of different thread spools in here. So you're going to get all different threads that are different kinds for different purposes. So let me go through my notes. I want to make sure to get this right. I'm not a professional, you guys. Okay, so the gold that's in here is a 40 weight. This is a 40 weight embroidery thread, and it is 100% rayon, and you get 250 yards of it. All right. Now, we have the green, which is called a poly light. This is the green, poly light right here. This is designed for delicate stitching, so if you need really crisp lettering, this will work really well. Next, we have Sulky Invisible Thread, and this is great for blankets, or you can use it in garments, and it's also really good to make bobbins with. And so you've got 440 yards of this clear monofilament. Next is a spool of what they call Polystar. This is one of their newer threads, and look at the sparkle. Can the camera pick up the sparkle? Let me get it right up there. Look at that. See that sparkle? You can use this instead of metallic thread. It is polyester thread twisted with a glitter thread for a sturdy option to add sparkle to your projects. This is called a cotton petite, and it is in a Christmas red, gold, and green. Very, very pretty. It says, cut to any length, no separating threads, perfect for hand and machine work. It's available in 160 colors. One strand of 12 weight cotton petites equals 2 strands of embroidery floss. So this is great for hand work, for you hand stitchers. The next spool of thread is one of their newest threads too. It's called Fillen. Let me show you what this is. F-I-L-A-I-N-E, Fillen. It feels like wool, but it's not. And it stitches like wool. This Fillen thread is designed to mimic hand stitching. You can use it in an embroidery machine, and the special techniques to be able to do that are available at the Sulky website. But I want to show you what you can do with this. I'm going to hold up this picture so you can see. That looks like crewel work. I believe that's what that is. I'm not a hand stitcher, but I wanted to show you guys that Fillen mimics crewel embroidery if you wanted to do that. Next is a spool called Sulky Sliver. Look at this. It's a 250 yard spool in Christmas green. It's a thin, flat, foil laminated polyester thread, and it provides extra sparkle. Look at that. But it's polyester. It looks like metallic, you guys. It's polyester. Very cool. Very nice. Okay, so that's it for the threads. And you also receive a chalk pencil, and it comes with a little brush on the top. There it is. Very nice. You receive a multi-pack of 70 through 100 size organ needles. These are great in brother and baby lock machines. They work in all machines, but brothers and baby locks are timed with them at the manufacturer. You also receive a packet of totally stable iron-on tearaway stabilizer. There you go. Next, we have a package of Sulky Puffy Foam in red. How about that? That's very cool. It has 3 sheets in it. Everybody loves the puffy projects now, so that's very neat. And extremely helpful in a sewing room with embroidery. you receive a pair of good old tweezers. These are wonderful, especially when you're trying to trim jump threads between lettering. You need that precision tip to pull up that thread and get it really close and make your projects really turn out nice. It's all in the details at the end by cleaning up those little bitty jump threads. And then you get a zappy dot for quilting. And there is also a little charm thimble. Can you see that? It's a little thimble charm. So cute. So this is awesome, you guys. There's all these different threads you can use and try out and see which ones really work for you. All right, you guys, so that's it for the Sulky box. Now, because I like y'all so much, I'm gonna give this away. If you'd like to win this box, please subscribe and then leave a comment below that you'd love to win the Sulky box. We'll leave the giveaway open until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time on December 6th. Good luck. All right, you guys, that's it. Go sew something. Bye.